Alright, welcome back to part 2 of this video. This will finish up the 2020 P6 Prelim exam mathematics paper. Early on we stopped at question 16, the one about Mutu and his stamps. Then my phone went out of capacity. Okay, come, let's finish up with this. The figure below is made up of a rectangle ABDF, quadrant ACF, and quadrant EDF. Quadrant means quarter circle. If you divide a circle into 4 equal parts, each part here is known as a quadrant. Now the radius of quadrant EDF is 10 cm. So EDF, this quadrant here is has a radius of 10 cm on both sides. The ratio of the area of the rectangle ABDF to the area of the quadrant EDF is 9:5. So I drew it here to make it clearer. So the area of the rectangle is 9 parts, area of the quadrant is 5 parts. This is clearly bigger. My diagram is not drawn to scale. So remember, area of a circle is pi times radius and radius. Since it's a quadrant, it's only 1/4 of a circle. We times 1/4. Or you can divide by 4. So anyway, since we can use a calculator, why not, right? So simply just punch all the numbers and fractions in one sentence. So 1/4 multiplied by pi is 3.14. We totally use 3.14 times 10, radius is 10, times 10, radius is 10, and we have 78.5. This is the area of this quadrant, which is equivalent to 5 equal parts. So 5 equal parts of 5 units is 78.5. So 1 unit is 78.5 divided by 5, and that is 15.7. So to find the area of the rectangle, we need to find 9 parts here, which is 9 units. So 15.7 times 9, you have 141.3 square centimeter. Right now we go on to the second part. Find the area of the shaded parts in the figure and round your answer to 2 decimal places. So how can you do this? So first, let's find out the area of the rectangle, right? ABDF. Now we know that this is, let's find the length of it, okay? We know that the rectangle area is 141.3, right? So remember, we talk about area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. We know the area is 141.3. Now the breadth here is 10. So breadth here is 10. How to find the length? Very simply, length equals to 141.3 divided by 10, and you will get 14.13 centimeters. That's the length of the rectangle. Why do we find the length? Because the length of the rectangle is the radius of this quadrant. The length of the rectangle is the radius of this quadrant. So let's find the area of that quadrant now. So quadrant is 1/4, right? Times pi is 3.14, times radius 14.13, times 14.13, you get 156.73. Now don't use equal sign because you have a string of numbers behind. We use approximately equal sign. Alright, and we rounded off to 2 decimal places, is 156.73. Now we have the area of the rectangle, the quadrant. Now next part, how to find the area of the unshaded part, which is ABEF. ABEF unshaded part. Now why do we need to find this? Imagine now if we have the area of the quadrant already, we found the area of the whole quadrant, which is 156.73. If we know the area of this part, the unshaded part, right? So the area of quadrant, subtract away this white color part, you have the area of the unshaded part. So how do we find the area of this white color part? It's basically rectangles area, subtract this small quadrant, you'll get this white color part. So rectangle area is 15.7. So that is 141.3. Remember, we have the area of rectangle is 141.3. Subtract away the area of the quadrant. We found it earlier on, quadrant, 78.5, and you will get 62.8. So 62.8 is this part, 62.8, this white color part. Now we have the area of the whole quadrant, 141.3. Sorry, area of the quadrant is this, 156.73. Subtract away this, and you have 93.93 square centimeter. And this is your answer for part B. Okay, so that ends the lesson for this prelim paper 2020 from Yunus Primary School. So if you are using this for your revision either for prelims or PSLE, all the best to you. Anytime you're not sure, just come back and revisit this video again. Take care, I'll see you in the next one.